If Canva is showing an error page, don't worry. In most cases, this is a quick fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest steps to get Canva working again, and I'll show you what to check first so you can save time and avoid unnecessary troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, start with the easiest solution. Refresh the page. Sometimes Canva just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly. If you're on a desktop, press the refresh button in your browser or use Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Then give Canva a moment to load again and see if the error page disappears. If the page still isn't loading correctly, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Canva to show an error page even when everything else is fine. Open a new browser tab and search for speed test. Run a quick speed test and see if your connection is stable. If your internet is slow, unstable, or dropping out, that could be the reason Canva isn't working properly. If the speed looks good but Canva is still failing, try switching your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, disconnect and use a mobile hotspot instead. Or if you're using a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This helps you find out whether the problem is with your current network. Sometimes a network restriction or routing issue can block Canva from loading correctly, and changing connections can fix it immediately. Another very important step is to disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Canva's servers and trigger an error page. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off completely, then reload Canva and test it again. In many cases, just disabling the VPN is enough to restore normal access. If you're still seeing the error page, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, stored browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause loading issues on websites like Canva. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached images and files, and if needed, clear cookies as well. After that, close the browser, reopen it, and try Canva again. If Canva loads after clearing the cache, that usually means the issue was caused by old browser data. If it still doesn't work, try opening Canva in an incognito or private window to see whether a browser extension is causing the problem. Extensions can sometimes interfere with page loading, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Testing in a private window is a fast way to rule that out. Also, if you're on a work or school network, there may be firewall or network restrictions blocking Canva. In that case, using a different network, like a hotspot, is often the fastest way to confirm the issue. The good news is that most Canva error page problems come down to one of these simple causes: a temporary page issue, a network problem, VPN interference, or cached browser data. So, to recap, the best order is: refresh the page, test your internet speed, switch networks, disable VPN or proxy, and clear your browser cache. If you go through those steps one by one, you'll have a much better chance of fixing the Canva error page quickly. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.